Alright, so just got home from the range. Decided that it's about third time I think I brought the rifle out, maybe fourth. Send another 70 rounds down the pipe. Just did a review on it not too long ago, so this is just kind of see how it's functioning and everything. You got me shooting, my buddy Bingo, and Bingo cracking jokes, including a part where being the bigger man walking away, which I didn't realize until a little bit later. He was making fun of me because I broke my leg. I'm unable to walk at the moment. So this is just pretty much a function video of how my AKM-47 M214 has been running today with just 70 rounds going down the pipe. We didn't videotape everything. Bingo started shooting before I started shooting video. So any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll respond to them. Thanks for watching. Bam!
4, 5, 6.
You only got 6 rounds at 100?
Yes, sir.
All right. Am I ready to go?
You are.
All right. Well, spotter beware. You may get hit with some spent casings.
Okay, it'll be okay. Go for it.
Going loud.
Bitch.
What?
Fuck you.
Did I hit the bullseye?
No, faggot. But you shot a little bit closer to me and your first shot hit the target, faggot.
Where?
Right 2 circles away from the bullseye itself. Outer circle, another circle, circle, bullseye.
Down, left, right, what?
Down to the left.
Okay.
You're slightly to the left. That one's a little high.
How high?
Pretty high to the left.
Sitting to the left for some reason.
Oh, pretty close to the bullseye, but still slightly bottom left. Just a slightly bottom left.
Fucking wind breeze is fucking with me. Should have brought a jacket.
Yeah, I know. That's why I brought me a little hoodie.
Doing a round count real quick. 3, 4, 6, 8. I'm gonna fire 3 more at the 100, then I'm gonna transition to the 50.
Okay. Nice. Dude, you're fucking almost on the bullseye, motherfucker.
That was low, I know it.
On the left side, just a little.
We're gonna transition over to the 50 now. Going loud.
Going loud. You right in the knuckle and that hurt.
I turned because I want to see how far it's going. I watched it land on you. That was funny. Where am I hitting on the 50? 6 rounds left.
How about half, right in part?
Fire this one real quick.
Hold on. Huh? You have 2 in the bullseye.
At 50?
Uh-huh.
All actions open.
Alright, range is high again. Get these last, what was it, 5? 5. These cranked out real quick.
You ate up your whole box of 50, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wondering.
That's it. And it is. She's pretty damn good.
Gary's gay.
You're just jealous.
Your mom says squeak.
You're just jealous because I can hit the bullseye with the rifle and you can't.
What the fuck? Look, are we having a competition to see whose dick's bigger? Because at the end of the day, your dick might be a little bigger, but guess what? I'm a walk away at the end of the day.
Oh yeah?
I'll just be the bigger man to walk away. Away.
Is that the best you could do? Is just walk away?
Good?
Yeah, we're good.